I don't know what is going on with Walmart. They are just killing it with the fashion and the pre-spring releases. I know it's the beginning of January, but the pre-spring collections for Walmart are starting to drop now, and they are good, okay? I am probably going to need to break this into 2 or 3 videos because there's just so much to share with you. So I am partnering with Walmart for this video, and everything that I'm going to share with you will be linked down below in the description box. And with that, I am starting with dresses because dresses are one of the first things to sell out when Walmart drops their new collections.
I'm actually not going to be saving the best for last. I am starting with one of the best, I should say, and that is this free assembly polka dot dress. This is a cotton dress. I absolutely adore the kind of sweetheart neckline, and then it's a little hard to see because it is like a darker navy color, but they have like little, well, the dress has like these little darts in the front to help kind of bring it in, a slightly smocked back area with where the zipper is to help it just kind of like fit well in the chest and tummy area. But this is such a flattering dress, a little bit of like a throwback, almost has a slightly vintage feel to it. However, how you style it is what's going to, keep it from looking like 1950s housewife. If that is not the look you're going for, go for more modern accessories. Which of course brings me to this handbag that I am convinced is going to sell out fast once people start sharing it, because it has the look of like a Loewe bag. It's that woven, material that's very popular for spring and summer. I love the handles on it, plenty of space. It's just such a great bag. You're going to see me wear it with a whole bunch of these outfits because it really is very versatile, very affordable, and just a great handbag overall. And then that brings me to the other cotton dress. I also just have to say, I really love that Walmart is doing more all cotton, 100% cotton items. They just last longer. The quality is better. So yay to them. Now, I didn't realize until I was watching this footage, like, oh, I could have used a steam on this dress. So try to ignore some of the wrinkles, but I love the cut and design of this dress. The tie waist, the button up, the collar is like slightly stiffer. So if you want to do a popped collar, you absolutely can, and it will kind of stay up on its own. I, of course, wanted to show you, like, you can just wear it as is, but then if you're like me, then you got to style it up a little bit and make it your own. So I like to kind of roll up the sleeves, and then I'm adding this cotton cardigan, which I wore the other day by itself to my hair appointment. It's just so cute with denim and like some nude tan sandals, shoes, loafers, anything like that. It's a great versatile cardigan. I love the navy color. And once again, like, this is all kind of leaning into a little bit of that like Cape Cod, nautical, coastal grandmother vibe. So I really like so many of these dresses. And this one, I'm almost certain this one is going to sell out very quickly. It's got the little embroidered hearts on it. I wanted to show you this cute seashell necklace as well. But anything that's, hearts this time of year is going to sell out very quickly. But here's why I like this is this does not like scream Valentine's. So if you're somebody who's like, listen, I don't want to wear red and pink, but you still want a little Valentine's feel. Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you work in the office or something. This dress is perfect. It is so comfortable. It's like that soft, almost like chambray kind of material. It also has the darts in the bust area and sort of waist area to bring it in and make it fit a little, like, not, skin tight or super fitted, but fitted enough to show that you have shape. And then this smocked fitted dress. Now, I normally get an extra small in all things pre-assembly, mostly dresses and stuff like that, but I probably could have gotten a small in this instead of an extra small. It was a little tight around the chest for me, but it is so cute. It's like a black and white gingham print, which again, so fun for spring and summer, very, on trend. And I paired it with a cotton sweater, a Time and True crew neck sweater that's very soft, very comfortable. I actually have this sweater in multiple colors from Time and True. And then these scoop studded mesh flats, which are very on trend for the season. And they are also very comfortable. They almost have like, I don't know if they actually have like a memory foam in the bottom, but that's kind of what they feel like. They're very, very comfortable. So those could be styled a ton of different ways now and later through summer, even into fall. The mesh flats are just some of my very favorite. They let your tootsies breathe, if you will, and they become like one of my favorite shoes and most worn shoes. And then of course the heart cardigan. That's gonna sell out real fast because it's hearts, you know. Okay, and don't laugh at me. I legit put this skirt on and tried to align those buttons in the front, and I'm like, why are my pockets around by my booty? Because this is supposed to be offset. Okay, so the buttons on the skirt are supposed to be offset. This is a very comfortable cotton maxi skirt. It has pockets, nice pockets. You will only find them though if you actually wear the skirt as it is intended, which is with the buttons offset, which is definitely cute and different. And I kind of wanted to show you two different ways to style this skirt. So this is what I consider to be like the traditional way I would think of to style it, with a nice navy cardigan, some cute sandals, a cute handbag. But if you're like, no, I want color, Angie, I want more colorful, I want more fun, then I love this crazy soft. I mean, it's actually called the cozy crew neck sweater because it is so cozy and soft. Hot pink sweater, and then this striped Time and True scarf, which you see a bunch with like the swim stuff that's kind of like released with the swim items for the year, but it doesn't have to stay with the swim stuff. I love it with this, just kind of bringing in that green and colorful, thinking outside the box a little bit, which, you know, is totally my jam. Now, if you like a little more subdued when it comes to dresses, this scoop sweater dress, it does come in 3 colors, and it's very, very soft, and I like the cut of it. It's actually cut with some shape in it, so it's not just like a totally boxy fit. It does bring in a little bit at the natural waist all on its own. You could absolutely belt it. I'm just showing you here how I would style it with these over the knee Walmart boots that I have told y'all before about, because they are totally lookalikes dupes for the Isabel Marant boots that cost $1,000. These cost $38. Mixing it with a scarf and a cute handbag, like this is something that you could wear now. Absolutely. You could wear it later with sandals and stuff, but it's definitely a wear now dress, which I love. And like I said, this very soft greeny color, as you can see in this sweater, is one of my favorite colors. This is kind of a raglan cable knit type sweater. It's got the chunkier like cuffs on the wrist and stuff. So I'm just showing you, you know, kind of wearing this the preppy way or whatever, a little over the shoulder with these patch pocket pants. I am so thrilled. Whoever at Walmart is making decisions, they have finally decided to start offering us longs in a lot of the pants that they sell, which is super exciting for me. So they have multiple length options, inseam options for pants, and these patch pocket ones in a long, oh, so good. Love the khaki color. Just again, easy to style. I'm showing you a couple different ways to style it with the button up denim. This actually has like metal snap buttons instead of you know, the kind of buttons that you insert through the buttonhole on the other side. These are snap buttons, which is fantastic. It gives it definitely like a feel where you could wear it as a top or as like a jacket almost. It's a really nice quality denim top. So I will be wearing and styling this a lot for the rest of spring, but this is obviously like an easy way to wear it. And these patch pocket pants come in more than one color. And this is not usually my style, but I thought, you know what, Angie, step outside the box like you're always telling everybody else to do. And so I did. I got the pink pair of these patch pocket pants, which by the way, are also a lookalike for the Anthropologie pants. So just saying, much less expensive. And I, you know, listen, this is very like Valentine's, very, very Valentine's, right? But it is fun and it is cute. If it's like too over the top with the heart sweater, or you're like, I'm just not going to do the red and pink together, it's too much, it's too on the nose for me, then you could totally style the pink with denim. This is the Free Assembly Hearts denim button down. It's like the dress, but obviously in a button up top form, which is great. That looks great with pink. And then I wanted to show you like even layering, because I do think layering is part of the difference between just wearing something and styling it, would be to layer it with this No Boundaries cardigan. Again, super soft, really great for this time of year, like sort of that wintry time. It's a perfect winter sweater that's not holiday, just winter. And mixing it with the denim and the pink is just adorable. I mean, this is something I would absolutely, you know, wear if you're like a teacher or something and you just wanted wintry vibes or Valentine vibes without going like full on red, pink hearts. And I have to tell you that these studded flats are maybe amongst my favorite shoes I've ever gotten from Walmart. You are going to be seeing these a lot. I love slides. I love that kind of mule shape and slide on shoe. They're very comfortable, and I just really like the light blue. I feel like that's going to be my color through spring. So brace yourself now, because there'll probably be a lot more of that coming your way.
All right, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's so much back there that I cannot even, there would be no way to fit it all into one video. So this is just kind of part one, and I wanted to start with the things that I feel are the highest sellout risk, the things that I think I'm like, listen, if you want something from this new pre-spring drop for later in the year, if you live in one of those climates where you are months away from the weather warming up, then this might be a buy it now and stick it in your closet for later type of situation. We all know that with the Walmart drops and fashion releases, it doesn't last that long. I wanted to get this first video up for you with the things that I think are the biggest sellout risk, but I do have more videos coming with what I think are actually some hidden gems, some things that I feel like often get overlooked. People don't always flock to when Walmart releases new collections. There's some good stuff. Okay, so I'm just saying, I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm just saying you might want to subscribe, stick around, come back if you are new, and hopefully you will. And I will see you again very soon.